This is a cool van. This is a brand new floor plan by Jayco. It's the 2023 Solstice. It's on the Ford Transit chassis. Let me show you around. This is the great room. We'll start here. Great room is pretty plush looking. This is a motorized bed, so it's going to come out and lay flat like this. So you have bed number 1 right here, twin bed. Bed number 2 here, twin bed. There is a Lagun table, which is pretty smart and very popular in the van community. This will lower and go down, and it also parks under the TV here like that while you're in transit. So this is a television on a pretty significant bracket that can spin around to your viewing pleasure. Big windows. These are side by side, so they slide out, and this is the bug screen. We're seeing this in the more and more of these camper vans. This one's got a bit more of a traditional blackout screen situation, which I like. But lots of windows, nice cabinetry. Let me show you those. So it's got carpet bottom, side, and top, which is pretty compelling. And I love the fact that it's open like this and lots of storage on both sides. Will they touch? They do not touch, which is good. So they have a positive locking situation here, and this one's a little, yeah, so again, tons of cabinet storage in the great room. A little bit of a cup holder here, a little bit of a storage area for nightstand. Same over here. This is how you move the bed, it looks like. Let's try that. So it goes out like that. And then back up to a seat. Pretty smart. All right, moving forward, got a little bit of storage here. This is a wardrobe, frosted glass. Pretty nice. Big old Norcold refrigerator. Freezer, pretty good size. On this side is the Galley, more cabinetry, more cabinetry, tons of space. Really, they're utilizing the height of the van to make these cabinets really tall. That's what I'm seeing with my eye. Residential style faucet. Sink. Here's a convection microwave. That's pretty awesome. Let's see if this does anything. Got a little bit of a drawer here. Drawer here. And some cabinetry down below. Right here. And on top we have an induction cooktop. Pretty smart. Moving forward still. Again, control panel, air conditioner. I see a speaker here and a speaker back there, so you can have some tunes in the van. Countertop extension right here, locks in place. Won't put it up, but it comes out to, looks like about right here. So that'd be a very nice size galley. Bathroom, ready for the bathroom? It's pretty big. All waterproof, except for this. You do need a curtain here because of the door. Sink placed about the right place, I would say. That's the faucet hider. You can actually, that's functional sink, I would say. You could definitely stand and shower in here. This does have the water miser, which recirculates water until it gets hot. Place for your shampoos, what have you. And then this is the medicine chest. Okay. But yeah, you could definitely stand in this. And mirror, light. Always kind of funny that the light's in the wrong spot, but that's okay. Pretty cool. And I mentioned it's on the Transit chassis. Here's another table here, which is kind of like, what? But here's a Lagun mount right here. See my foot? So it's right down here. So you could actually put another table in the front, spin these around, I assume, and then that's where another couple people could actually use for dining space or workspace. Maybe what this does, that's what this does. This spins around, and then this comes down like that, hits this rail. So when this chair spun around, this becomes a desk, which is pretty smart. Good job, Jayco. Handsome van. Let's jump outside. Awning. Speakers. Good little tunes in the camp. Here's your 120 volt outlets. Let's look behind here. This is where your water inlets are. Winnebago kind of started this in the vans. I'm seeing that now here. So solar, more outlets, cool. Satellite, cable TV, city water connection, and your 30 amp. So interestingly, you can keep water, pressurized water here, but to fill your tank, you got to open the door. Really sleek looking on the outside. Big running board. Again, brand new. Solstice, Ford Transit, hydronic heating system, power sofa, carefree awning, generator, the auto gen start, so no lithium on board, and the J ride. Bug screen. So what do you think of this? The Solstice. On the card, it does have some specifications, so let me read those to you. Pretty tiny print. It is wheelbase, the 148 inches, overall length 22 feet, and exterior height is 10 feet, 20 gallons of fresh water, 17 gallons of gray water, and 19 gallons of black toilet waste. So again, this is the Solstice 21B. It's a pretty compelling rig. It kind of has a feel of maybe a Beyond by Coachman and some elements of the Winnebago era, which is on the big chassis. But again, they've really made a big effort here to maximize the storage here by having these really tall cabinets, which is pretty interesting, I think. Let me know what you think of this van. We'll put the manufacturer pictures and prices MSRP at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And for me, for the first time, howdy, my name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large, all about the camper van travel experience. Till we see you soon, I wish you a journey on, and peace be with you. See ya.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my